If you have a Simplicity Prestige like this one here, or a Simplicity Conquest, or now some of the new Broadmoors are coming out with this four-wheel suspension. Well, this suspension gets a little rusty over time. After about 5 years, 400 hours, starts to get a little rusty, also starts to get a little soft, and it's time to replace them. Now if you go to your Simplicity dealer, you're looking at 89 bucks a pair for the front. I bought these off Amazon for 30. You're looking at 129 for the pair in the back. I bought those off Amazon for 40. I want to show you how to replace these shocks, make them look better and new again for less than half the cost. Main thing you need to do, you want to measure eyelet to eyelet on your tractor, and then you just need to know the inner diameter. That's basically all you need to do. I'll put a link in the description below on these that I bought off Amazon. We'll get these installed and see how it looks. What you need to do is put a jack under the front, and you want a piece of wood or metal going all the way across so you jack up from the frame. So we need to get a little bit of pressure off those wheels. Now we just need to unbolt that front shock. Now you may have to take your old shock off so you can measure the inner diameter of this bushing, and just make sure your new one is the same. So I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the new shock. Just make note that the bottom bolt is the longer bolt, and it's going to have a spacer piece. Goes like that. You got both bolts into the mounting holes. We're going to go ahead and tighten them up. And once you get pretty well snug, you're just going to go about a quarter to a half a turn. What do you guys think looks better? This chrome rusty old one, or this nice shiny one with the red coils? We'll go ahead and do the other side, and then I'll show you what the back looks like. All I want to do is get this slightly less than snug. I want to still be able to kind of move it around. We're not going to tighten this up until both bolts are all the way in. I got the back ones on, pretty much installed the same way. You could do all 4 of these shocks in about 40 minutes. And that's all there is to it, guys. Under 40 minutes, under 90 bucks, all 4 new shocks on this Prestige. If you want to go to the dealer and pay $220 for all 4 new shocks, that's up to you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below on what you think on the red shocks. You can get red, silver, or black. I just thought the red looked pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.